Good day. I'm working on my 2004 Hayabusa. I'm going to replace the front sprocket and chain. I mentioned in the previous video I replaced the rear sprocket. It was showing a bit of wear. So I thought I'd replace that with the tire replacement and also do the front sprocket and chain. So I've got the bike assembled to this point. I've got to take off the left side fairing. Remove this coolant tank, it's in the way. It just bolts onto here. And just suspend it like this for the time being. And remove this cover. There's 4 bolts to take off. And like that. There. Front sprocket exposed. And to get that off, the first step is to get this lock bolt removed. It's on there a bit tight. I think it takes, what is this? I don't know, I think it's 8. Not quite sure, but it takes this size hex wrench to remove. That off. It's a very critical mechanical component. And then you can access this nut, which takes a 32mm socket. However, I'm going to have an issue here because when I put the wrench on, or the socket on there, and ratchet, this wheel is going to turn. I've got to stop that somehow, so I'm going to have to jam the wheel from turning, like say use a steel bar through here. Wrap it in the cloth so you don't mark up the swing arm. Steel contact or metal to metal contact. I had to remove the chain guard and the left exhaust canister. There it is there. So that's the next step. I've soaked this nut with penetrating oil, let it sit overnight, should go easier, and get back at it in the morning. Get that nut loosened and get that new sprocket on. Here's my replacement sprocket. It's a JT steel and my replacement chain. Once I get that new sprocket on, I've got to break this chain somehow, so a number of ways you can do that. I'm going to take a grinder to these pins. Just pick a link and then take a grinder, grind these pins flush with the plate, and then push them out. And the chain comes apart. Get the new chain on and do up the master link with the proper tool. So, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.